Now look at the workshop. Look at the first one. Find from the story the noun forms of the following. What you have to do, you have to find the noun forms from the lesson. Look at the first one is dedicate. Dedicate, you have to find the word noun, that is, here it is one, that is dedication. Now for noun form, it is important to learn that tion, ment, ation, ity, ance, ship. You know that you will learn that in a school. Okay, only you have to, what you have to do here, you have to find the words related to that one. Dedicate, dedication. Second is measure. Look at here the measurement. Okay, like that you have to do the remaining ones. Okay, now look at the next one, that is choose the proper phrase or expression to complete the sentences meaningfully. Now you have to choose the phrase or expression to complete the following sentences. There are 7 sentences. You have to complete that with the help of above expressions. Okay, now look at the first one. She does her job. कशी ती काम करते with full dedication. Look at the second one here, that is with a full dedication. She does her job with a full dedication. Okay, understood? Second one should make up one's mind to help others when needed. इथं आहे बघा. Understood? Like that you have to complete all remaining sentences. Okay, now look at the third one. Read the story and answer in your words. Now the first one is, the owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Pleased means here satisfied. I think look at the second passage. In the second passage you will get the answer. You have to write yourself. Okay, the owner, why the owner of new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Why? कारण काय? I look at in the second, because the mason, he made sure that he used the best construction material of high quality, whatever that. Look at that. The second, the contractor compensated for the mason good work. How कसं compensate करतो? By giving a handsomely, काय तर आहे बघा, year one. Look at this one. In this one, maybe in this passage. Okay, and then the mason made a firm decision to retire when माझ्या मते इथं आहे ते पण, when he became a grandfather, whatever that, in this passage. Okay, now look at the next one. The fourth, read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper columns. I think you learned that in warming up, a syllable, one syllable, two syllable, syllabic, three syllabic, and more than three syllabic. You learned that. Now look at, we will take a few examples. Story. In this, there are two. There is only one vowel, but the last Y, it is double E. So O, one vowel, double E, that is second vowel. Okay, story, two syllables. Okay, then work. In this word there is only one vowel, so it is one syllable. Okay, then next is architect. Architect, look at there, how many vowels are there? Three. The first R, double A R, then the pause key, Ki, then pause TEKT. It is the pronunciation style, architect. Now there is three syllable. Okay, like that you have to complete the remaining. Okay, now the fifth one, homophones. Now what is by homophones? A same sound or the pronunciation. The word has a same sound or the pronunciation, but the meaning is different or spelling is different. That is homophones. Okay, in scholarship also it is very important. Look at the example. Hair, HAIR and HARE, hair. Like that you have to complete the remaining one. The west, west, new, new. You have to complete that and try to write the what the meaning in Marathi also. Now the last one, that is ओके याच्यामध्ये नाही येते तरी मी सांगतो बघा. दॅट इज सिलेक्ट एनी 3 पेअर्स ऑफ होमोफोन्स फ्रॉम अबव अँड मेक simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meaning. For example, 8 number, week, 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 the first week, and second WEAK, week. Now you have to write the example of week, WEEK, week. In the last week we celebrated festival of Ganpati Bappa. Okay, and second week, WEAK, you are so weak. Understood? Like that you have to complete remaining. Now the 6th number, always do your best. What you plant now you will harvest later. With the help of this you have to write one paragraph, and in that paragraph there should be a example, same interesting example also there. Try to write that. If you can't, then I will help you. Okay, understood? You have to complete this whole homework, warming up and also workshop, and you have to send to me, Mr. Ugule sir or Sutar sir. Okay, thank you.